Cloves are a smell-good spice made from dried flowers of the clove tree. A long time ago, spices were super valuable, and cloves were super precious too. You might recognize cloves as a key part of gingerbread treats or an important spice in Indian cooking. Cloves are most famous for their sweet and pleasant aroma, but they've also been applied in traditional medicine. But before we continue, all the information presented in this video is supported by scientific evidence and has been verified, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Cloves are the dried flower buds of an evergreen tree native to Indonesia. They have been used for centuries as a spice in various cuisines around the world, known for their strong, warm, and aromatic flavor. Beyond their culinary uses, cloves also offer a range of health benefits due to their rich nutritional profile. Here are the top 10 health benefits of cloves. Number 1. Cardiovascular health. Cloves contain compounds such as eugenol, which have been shown to have positive effects on the cardiovascular system. It may help support healthy blood circulation by promoting the dilation of blood vessels, which can lead to improved blood flow. Good circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells throughout the body. Some components of cloves, like eugenol, possess antiplatelet properties, meaning they can help prevent excessive blood clot formation. This can reduce the risk of blood clots that may lead to heart attacks or strokes. Some research suggests that cloves might help manage cholesterol levels. Cloves contain compounds that could potentially lower levels of LDL cholesterol, which is associated with an increased risk of heart disease. While cloves offer these potential benefits, they are just one part of a heart-healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, managing stress, and avoiding tobacco are also crucial for cardiovascular well-being. Number 2. Cancer prevention. The potential cancer preventive properties of cloves are attributed to their rich content of antioxidants and bioactive compounds. Cloves are abundant in antioxidants, such as phenolic compounds and flavonoids. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can cause cellular damage and contribute to the development of cancer. Chronic inflammation is linked to the development and progression of various types of cancer. Eugenol and cloves exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of inflammation-driven cancers. Apoptosis, also known as programmed cell death, is a natural process that eliminates damaged or abnormal cells from the body. Some compounds in cloves have been studied for their potential to induce apoptosis in cancer cells, preventing their uncontrolled growth. Angiogenesis is the formation of new blood vessels that supply nutrients to tumors. Some studies suggest that cloves might have properties that inhibit angiogenesis, potentially limiting the blood supply to tumors and impeding their growth. While cloves show promise in laboratory studies and some animal research regarding cancer prevention, more extensive human clinical trials are needed to establish their effectiveness definitively. Additionally, cancer prevention is a complex topic influenced by various factors, including genetics, lifestyle choices, and overall diet. Number 3. Respiratory health. The potential respiratory health benefits of cloves are attributed to their compounds and aromatic properties, which can provide relief from respiratory issues and congestion. The warming and soothing effects of clove compounds can provide relief from coughs, especially those accompanied by excessive mucus. Cloves, particularly clove oil, contain compounds that exhibit expectorant properties and may also help soothe throat irritation. This means they can help loosen and expel mucus from the respiratory passages, making it easier to clear the airways and alleviate congestion. Inhaling the aroma of cloves, whether through steam or in essential oil form, can have a calming and soothing effect on the respiratory system. This can provide relief from symptoms like coughing, congestion, and difficulty breathing. If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our latest videos, ensuring you never miss out on valuable information. Number 4. Pain relief. Cloves have been associated with potential pain relief due to their natural analgesic properties. One of the main components of cloves is eugenol, a compound with analgesic properties. Eugenol has been shown to have a numbing effect on pain receptors, which can help alleviate various types of pain. Applying clove oil or a paste made from ground cloves topically to the temples or forehead may help alleviate tension, headaches, and migraines. The aromatic properties of cloves could also have a soothing effect. Eugenol is often used in dental treatments due to its ability to provide temporary relief from toothache and gum pain. It can numb the affected area and provide a soothing sensation. Cloves' anti-inflammatory properties, attributed to eugenol, may help reduce inflammation in joints and muscles. Applying clove-infused oil or using clove-based creams might provide relief from arthritis-related pain and muscle soreness. While cloves can offer potential pain relief, they are not a substitute for medical treatment. For severe or chronic pain conditions, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Number 5. Blood sugar regulation. Cloves contain compounds that may enhance insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels by allowing cells to take in glucose from the bloodstream. Improved insulin sensitivity means cells are more responsive to insulin's actions, leading to better blood sugar control. Some research suggests that the bioactive compounds in cloves may help improve the metabolism of glucose in the body. This can aid in the proper utilization of glucose for energy production. Cloves might assist in maintaining stable blood sugar levels by preventing rapid spikes and crashes. This is important for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Number 6. Immune system boost. The immune system boosting benefits of cloves are attributed to their high content of vitamin C and other bioactive compounds that can support immune function. Cloves are a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in enhancing the immune system. Vitamin C supports the production and function of various immune cells, helping the body defend against infections. Some components of cloves, such as eugenol, have been shown to have antimicrobial properties. Cloves' potential ability to combat harmful bacteria and viruses can contribute to preventing infections. By supporting respiratory health as discussed in benefit number 3, cloves indirectly contribute to immune function by helping the body defend against respiratory infections. Number 7. Digestive support. The potential digestive support benefits of cloves are attributed to their compounds that can aid digestion, reduce bloating, and alleviate gastric discomfort. Cloves contain compounds that can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, including amylase and lipase. These enzymes help break down carbohydrates and fats in the digestive tract, promoting efficient digestion. The carminative properties of cloves can help reduce gas and bloating. Cloves have antimicrobial properties that could help maintain a healthy balance of beneficial bacteria in the gut, supporting overall digestive health. Number 8. Dental health. The potential dental health benefits of cloves are due to their natural compounds, particularly eugenol, which possess antiseptic, analgesic, and antimicrobial properties. Eugenol, a compound found in cloves and clove oil, has natural analgesic properties. Applying clove oil or a clove paste to a sore tooth or gums can help provide temporary relief from toothache by numbing the area. Cloves' antimicrobial and antiseptic properties may help combat harmful bacteria in the mouth that can lead to gum diseases like gingivitis and periodontitis. The aromatic compounds in cloves can help mask bad breath and combat the bacteria responsible for causing it. Clove oil can be added to water to create a natural mouthwash. Swishing this mixture in the mouth can help cleanse the oral cavity, fight bacteria, and promote oral hygiene. Number 9. Anti-inflammatory properties. The potential anti-inflammatory properties of cloves are associated with their compounds, particularly eugenol, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a compound with well-known anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol has been studied for its ability to inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body. Some research suggests that eugenol in cloves could help lower levels of inflammatory markers in the blood, which are associated with chronic inflammatory conditions. Reducing chronic inflammation in the body can have positive effects on overall health, as chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases and health issues. While cloves can offer potential anti-inflammatory benefits, they are not a replacement for medical treatments for inflammatory conditions. If you have chronic inflammation or a specific inflammatory condition, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional for appropriate diagnosis and treatment. Number 10. Rich in antioxidants. The term rich in antioxidants refers to the high concentration of compounds in cloves that have the ability to counteract oxidative stress and prevent cellular damage. Cloves are rich in antioxidants like phenolic compounds, flavonoids, and vitamin C, which protect cells from damage. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals generated during metabolism, preventing oxidative stress that contributes to aging, cancer, and heart disease. Antioxidants help prevent DNA mutations that can lead to cancer. They counteract free radicals, hindering cellular changes that contribute to cancer development. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like cloves into your diet can help provide protection against oxidative stress and its associated health risks. However, a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods is essential for overall health. While cloves are a good source of antioxidants, they are just one part of a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and stress management. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, feel free to leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.